Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video, we will probably be working up with our project, and that is called, we will be working up with a dynamic website. Okay, so how does a dynamic website works is that you don't have to go ahead and you don't have to create pages, posts, and everything. Everything what you have to do, you just have to log into an admin panel, and then you manage your website completely from there. So this is what we call as a dynamic website, and you will be building up a website where we can go ahead and we can work with the post, we can work with the categories of the post, and we can also work with the pages. Okay, so let's just come up here and let's open up create a folder here, and I'm going to say it's dynamic. Okay, so in here we'll basically be working up with a dynamic website. I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new file here, and I'm going to save it as in the dynamic folder, and I'm going to save it as index.php, which is probably going to be my first file. Okay, same like this. So I'm going to go and I'm going to open, I'm just going to create a folder. Okay, that is going to be admin. Okay, and I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna create another folder, and this is going to be includes where I'm gonna be just including my all the files that that means that database and everything. Okay, and something like this, I'm gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be creating another one, and that is going to be uploads, where I'm gonna be just uploading all the images that we have in here. Okay, from the admin panel. Okay, so you can see this is our folder. Say which is done. Same like this. I'm just gonna go to them, come up here, and I'm gonna write here style, where we will be working at the styling of our file. Okay, so let's just quickly go ahead and let's grab the styling file for the Bootstrap. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go to the Bootstrap folder where we actually store our Bootstrap things. I'm going to go to basically this PC, and in there we have to open up the directory where we have a Bootstrap project, which is here. And here in the CSS, we need to grab first the bootstrap min.js, min.css, and we also need to grab the, not style.css, but we only need the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, just grab this one and just come up here and just go to the compressed one, sorry, the style here, and just paste it here. Okay, so you basically need to go ahead and you have to just grab this one. And then what you have to do, you have to go ahead and you have to go to the Bootstrap folder again. And then you have to open up the JS folder, and you basically need the Bootstrap, bootstrap.min.js, jQuery.js, and scroll.js. So just go ahead and just grab this and go to the style folder again and come back here and just create a new file. And that is basically going to be the JS. Okay, and in here we'll be pasting all of the files here. So because this project includes Bootstrap, jQuery, and everything, that is why we have to make sure that we do add everything. And now let's go ahead and let's quickly come up here to the index.php and just build the structure. So here you can see that I have written the title. I'm just going to go and I'm going to open up this dynamic thing so that we can actually just go ahead and we can see it. I'm just going to go to localhost/dynamic. Okay, dynamic. Okay, and this is right here. So you can see it says my dynamic site. Okay, and here we're going to be working up with this website completely. So what we have to do right now is that we have to go ahead and we have to just work up with the CSS and everything. So what we have to do, we have to just go to the CSS folder. In the style, we basically have the CSS. So what we have to do, we just have to come up here and we have to say link rel is equals to style sheet. Okay, and here we have to just close it, and here we have to write hypertext reference with the style folder. Inside the style folder, we have the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so this is right here. And now what we have to do, we just have to go in and we have to also grab the link rel is equals to style sheet, and this is going to be hypertext reference is equals to custom CSS, or you can say style.css. This is basically the CSS file where we're going to be working up with all the CSS things that we're going to create ourselves. So we just have to create this file as well. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to save it as in the style as the style.css. And you can see this is right here. Style.css is created. So now this is our bootstrap ready. And now what we have to do after this body, we're going to say, we're going to go to dynamic and JS, and we need to grab all these. So we first have to say script, and right here, source is equals to, first we have to learn, grab the jQuery. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to grab the bootstrap.min.js. And then what we need a scroll.js. So this is right here, everything is ready. And this is our page, which is actually totally done. Okay, and now pretty well, what we have to do, we just have to come up here and we have to open up this, and you can see nothing happens, and everything that we have in here is basically loading. So now we basically have to go ahead and we have to design our website. Okay, but instead of just designing everything, we'll probably be working out with just copying and pasting from the Bootstrap official website, because you guys already know how to go ahead and how to design. So just to save some time, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna copy all of the things. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and now we are totally set up with our environment. We are ready, and now in the next video, we're gonna be working over the designing part. We're gonna design our full homepage, and then we have to work up with our admin page as well, and then we're gonna move forward. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and bye.